How to replace the cleaning container in the HP PageWide XL printer series. We recommend that you wear gloves when replacing the cleaning container. Always switch on the printer before you replace the cleaning container, or the counters may not work properly. To begin, go to the front panel and click the ink button. Next, go to the Other Supplies tab. Go to the cleaning container and click Replace. When prompted by the printer, begin changing the cleaning container. Open the latch. Remove the cleaning container by lifting it a little bit and then pulling it out. It's important to remember that if you do not have a cleaning container in the printer, some liquid may escape and stain the floors, so be careful. Close the cap on the cleaning container. Lift the latch and insert the new cleaning container back in the slot. Close the latch. If you insert a cleaning container that has been used in another printer, the almost empty warning will not come on at the proper time. The printer will check for a new cleaning container. Once the printer is checked, select the cleaning container's state. The new cleaning container has been installed, and now you can use the printer as you would normally.